Hi guys, my name is David Foss. I work with MarineMax here in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat is unsold. It's one of the few leftover 2023 models. We have it available here with MarineMax discount pricing. It's a great looking boat. It's optioned out pretty well. It's got the 3-position fold-out seat here, which goes to multiple positions for up to 3 people to sit on or act as a sun pad cushion. So if you are looking for a family entertainment ski boat, get the kids out fresh or salt water, with the Mercury Outboard engine. It's a 200 horsepower engine. It's a max horsepower you can put on this boat. Plenty of power to pull adult skiers, kids on tubes, etc. A lot of fun on this boat. As you can see, it's a beautiful color scheme here with the stone gray, a nice wraparound seating, storage compartments throughout. You can see up in the bow, this boat has the comfort package, which includes bolsters all the way around and a filler cushion here in the bow. It gives you really excellent space for laying out, putting the kids up there, having a lot of fun out there in the water. Very well appointed, very clean, very nice looking boat here from Sea Ray. Got your captain's chair with flip up bolsters. This adjusts forwards and backwards for comfort. All your gauges here. This comes standard with the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Again, a very well laid out boat with bimini. Also comes with the trailer. So if you're looking for a really fun family entertainment vessel to do some water skiing and skiing sports and just exploring around the freshwater lakes and our saltwater inlets here in the Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts area. Again, this boat is a leftover 2023 model that's available right now at discounted prices. This is David at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Give us a call, look us up on the internet. Thanks so much.